Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this Hino 268. It's a 2020 year model. But before we jump into that video, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can check it out. We bring our trucks in from our trade-ins from our customers or from our leasing company, which this particular truck came from. We do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates, brakes, tires, any discrepancies found. We run them through our medium duty shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC test drive, clean up, and put online for our customers to look at. As we said, this is a 2020 Hino 268. It's a 25,950 GVW under CDL. And on top of that 150-point check, we've gone through and done the engine oil filter, fuel filter, and air filters. The DPF filter has been cleaned on this truck, and it is pre-qualified for a pre-owned warranty that you can put on the truck. Let's take a look at the inside real quick. As with all the trucks, plenty of grab handles to get up here in. This truck has a nice captain's air ride seat for the driver. We got a two-person bench for seating of 3. The truck has a great outward visibility plus the upward visibility with that sloped hood. We've got the AM/FM CD player, air conditioner, cruise control, and this truck has the power and heated mirrors on the large mirrors on the mirror, so your driver can adjust those from the driver's seat, making a nice safety feature without having to get in and out of the truck. As we said, it is diesel automatic, really easy to drive, and even though this is a 2020 year model truck, it is very well maintained, taken care of. As you can look, so it'll be a nice clean ride for your guys to start making you money in. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you buy a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. A lot of times you start looking at pre-owned trucks, they're kind of beat up on the bodies. The sides and corner caps are beat up. This truck's in excellent shape. It's a Southern truck, no rust on it. Got good rubber all the way around. And this particular truck can go dock to dock, dock to ground, or ground to dock with this really nice 2,500-pound tuck-away lift gate. It's got an 80-inch wide, 50-inch deep platform on it, so you can get a pallet and the pallet jack on it to load it in and out. Lift gate comes up to the top, meets like it should. This is a really nice 26-foot, 103 tall, 102 wide van body. It's got the 2 rows of E-track in it, Apatong slats, and scuff all the way to the front, across the front and back down. The aluminum roof's in really good shape. We've got a really nice LED dome light in here for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. And the laminated hardwood floor in this truck is in excellent condition. It has a whole lot of life left in it. And as you can see, the liftgate works just as good going down as it did going up. A lot of our customers come into Industrial Power knowing they're needing a delivery truck, not really sure what they would need. We have the larger 26 foots. We've got 18, 16 foot delivery trucks, smaller, and other vocational trucks. And even though this body is in nearly perfect shape, as long as and well the cab is, we can still wrap it and the cab, if you'd like, with your name, graphic designs, and phone number, turning that fuel money into advertising money while your guys are driving down the road. As we said, we've got a really nice 2020 Hino 268 25,950 GVW, pre-qualified for that extended warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tip the hood on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around. And as always, we appreciate your time.